back again with another motherfucking review. We about to do the other cipher, you know what I mean? With Kodak Black, 21 Savage, Lil Uzi Vert, Lil Yachty, and Denzel. I could predict right now who's gonna have the best verse. Denzel, I promise you. And then the next person probably be like Kodak or 21 Savage, and then Lil Uzi Vert. No, Lil Yachty probably I don't know, man. I gotta see. I heard it was funny, so I'm gonna see what's up with this shit. Let's get it.
Rest in power, it's all about power. Squeeze two lemons together and really all you'll have is sour. Diesel, niggas will smoke your ass and have the juice. Running around in an all black coupe, couple of bitches that's ready to shoot. Shit, ducking the book in the dungeon, they're going to get ounces and cigarette butts. Fucking around with the upper echelon, they will turn you the cues and I hope you be gone. Ebola overload, rain to give overdose, then the cascade, what the fuck is the house? Look at your pap, bitches a rap, Sierra my witness, I pay for a nap. Younger the rest will turn with the past, kicking ignition, put on the gas. None of you niggas is acting like jazz, go team in the Glock and the cybers and gas. Green gun, particles, turn you into molecules. Planet shrooms, planet shrooms,
killing that hoe.
into my panic room.
Yeah.
Oh, that nigga ate that hoe.
Yeah.
Uzi.
Yeah. All these niggas stealing my stock, and I get my flow back. Yeah. Bob on that bitch like Kodak. Yeah. Bitch, you know that. Yeah. I push your shit all back. Told that bitch I got money, ayy. Counting them hundreds is nothing, ayy. Told that little bitch I got money, ayy. Told that little bitch it is nothing, ayy. Hit that bitch right from the back, she got turkey. I knock out that bitch like it's nothing. Yeah. Told that little bitch that I'm with it. Told that little bitch that I'm with it. Ayy, what? 21 low boat, yeah. This a curry, cut your throat, yeah. Kodak do the most. Yeah. Told that little bitch I got all the money. I swear this shit is just nothing. I just be dancing right up on that bitch, yeah. Would you be stunning?
Damn, okay. Lil Yachty.
That when I gained on that one of my friend. I hang with my gang, I gained and felt all of my pain. When I was struggling through the rain, when I had no guard with no ice, wasn't no food but rice. All of these bitches, they want me, but they get one night. Fuck them, I give a fuck what you saying. Bitch nigga know I ain't playing. I'm by my fatty, silent team, I'm we ready. Fuck up that nigga, if he talk out too heavy, I'm body. Chance I'm in it.
Oh fuck.
They want me, but they get one night. Fuck them, I give a fuck what you saying. Bitch nigga know I ain't playing.
Look how he looking at him. You see that shit? Look at Kodak. You see that shit? That shit look creepy as fuck.
I'm by my fatty, silent team, I'm we ready. Fuck up that nigga, if he talk out too heavy, I'm body. Chance I'm in that cocky twain. Niggas throw diamonds, look like they fake. Young nigga in the Gucci stands. Fuck with me if you wanna die. Young nigga, I don't want no suicides. Fuck no.
Lil Bo, he killed that hoe. He probably had the second best right now. Second best.
21.
Then Uzi Vert.
21.
I'm gonna do it afterwards and see who got the best shit.
I sent my bitch to the store cause we ran out of soda.
What?
Bitch, I'm trying to cook this Yola. 100 round drum on the bottom of that shit. Chop a nigga down like a fucking lawnmower. AK-47 round the motherfucking shit. Pull up in a Rover, then I put up on the pistol. Put up on your bitch, she suck my nigga, and then you kiss me. Young savage bitch, and
the fuck is
it? I just smoked them woods. Bitch, I'm from the hood. Zone 6, go to Crest Road, you can't go there. 21 gang, bitch. Yeah, 21. I'm in NYC, I think I got a fucking show there. Hold up. Rolling on my wrist. Rolling on my bitch. 30 on my waist. 30 to your face. 60 to your face. 90 to your face. That's a closed case. Man, you washed up. Young Savage, man, I got my car washed up. Put up on a motherfucking nigga. Then I put
Tell he freestyled that. The second verse he freestyled. You can tell it.
21.
That hoe was wavy as fuck, no joke.
Who the fuck picked this little sorry ass beat? I'm from the ugly corner, man, them little sour ass streets. Now, homie, I'm the one who let your starving ass eat. You was hungry, I ain't have to let your sorry ass eat. My cousin G1 got out for manslaughter last week. Gave my dog $1.50, that nigga brought me back free. I'm a nigga broad and get up all in them cheese ties. They dead flies.
This nigga Kodak came to that bitch high as fuck. That nigga was high as shit. Why? I don't understand that. Like, dude, you come to impress. You trying to impress the people to see you in a different light. This nigga came high. This nigga says my nigga will get all between them ass cheeks at the end. What? But overall, man, I feel like, damn, Yachty, Denzel, Uzi Vert, and 21 Savage ate the fuck out that shit. But if I would pick somebody who had the best verse, in my opinion, I would say Yachty. Then I would say Denzel. No joke, like, people, the bars, he had bars. He had bars. Like, I don't care what nobody said, that shit was bars. I give Yachty first, Denzel, Uzi Vert, then 21 Savage. 21 Savage, you know, yeah, it wasn't that much. It was just more of a, he was just riding the beat and you know what I mean? He was riding the beat really good. Then Kodak, I don't know what the fuck he was doing. Why would you come high? You're supposed to have like a written verse, and then you can freestyle after that. Show that you can, you know, you have a little bit of skill and shit like that, you know what I mean? But hey, man, it's fucking dope. It's fucking wavy. Everybody had wavy verse except for Kodak. Just my opinion, you know what I mean? People might think Kodak killed the shit, but in my opinion, you know what I mean? It was funny though. I like that shit. This shit hype, the beat, perfect beat. Whoever picked that shit was beautiful. But hey, man, thank you for watching FTS Music. Drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, you know what I mean? Really support me and shit like that. Blow.